everybody. I picked up this Yu-Gi-Oh card game 25th Quarter Century tin from the store, and let's check it out and see what we get. All of these prices that you see on the screen are going to be from the TCG website. And let's see. Now, I've opened one of these before, and it had some pretty good cards in there. No Dark Magician, though, and no Blue Eyes, though. Let's see if I can get a Blue Eyes or a Dark Magician girl in this set. Okay. Card scanner. Kitsune Bay. Chaos Prism. Purely Shirley. Forge a New Future. That looks cool. Diablo Star, the Black Witch. I actually just got this a little bit ago. Awesome. Ooh, and the 25th anniversary Scapegoat. You can see the print right there. Barian Utopia. Looks pretty cool. Cassio Molar. Origami Goddess. Giant Ball Game. Doomstar Olka. Ginosaurus Giga Cannon. Souring Schedule. Double-headed Dino King. UFO Light. Tally-Ho Spirgum. Scareclaw. That looks cool. Centurion Primera. That looks cool. Ooh. And a 25th anniversary. I can barely read that. That is actually pretty hard to read. Fortress Dragon. Chimera Tech Fortress Dragon. Magic-y Deity. Looks cool. I can't even pronounce that. Jurassic Power. Sword Soul Punishment. Okay, last pack. The Kuko Command of Chrome. Realm Eulogy. Amaze. Tenchi. Evo Lasar. That looks cool. And a dragon looks cool. Asa, the Earth Channeler. Ooh, I got the left leg of Exodia 25th collection. Purely Plump. Pearly. The Continuing Epic of Charles. Meteor Rush. And Big Bang. Okay, so let me know if I got some good hits and some good pulls here, and make sure to subscribe and like for more.